So he really commended their effort in rightly dividing the word. Instead of being so passive that everything that comes from the leader is gospel, which, how many cults have been created and destroyed lives just because they go blindly the direction of the leader.
It does blow your mind when you think about how God uses these cracked clay pots that we are. I mean, if we are a body and we have got diseases all over, or our knuckles are broke, or our thumb is busted, it's on us to reach out to God and go, we need help. But that's his body that he lets get beat up. He lets doctrines get messed up because he wants us to self-correct. He wants us to go back to his word and go, where did we get this wrong?
If I do my role really well, but nobody else is activated, it harms me even if I act well, if I work in my gift well. It's actually in the long game harmful to the one man standing up on the stage above everybody else. He just doesn't see it yet because it's not God's prescribed remedy. It's not the structure, the framework of God. When we're all on a personal, individual, but yet corporate level, aware of each other, moving, kind of like massaging the environment with the vitality of the Spirit, right? Like I see you, I know who you are, I'm here for the right reason, I'm locking arms with you. Organically, naturally, we've seen the birth of people taking on a role that already fit into their personality almost. Everything in the heavens and the earth he's restoring unto himself. Why would we not for a second draw back and go, am I witnessing a fresh breath of the Ruach coming into people that have been broken and contrite?